How to turn off notifications in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it down. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now, here on the bottom, slowly scroll down. Here, tap on settings. So now we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called notification settings. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can customize and make different changes in the notification. So here there are different categories and subcategories too. Now you can simply tap on them in order to disable them. So as you can see, they have been turned gray and it's completely disabled. Now you can simply go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.